Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Jessica Jones Tutorials. Today what I'm doing is a really fun eye look. As you can see here, I'm doing kind of like a space theme just because I'm using the Galaxy Chic BH Cosmetics palette, which is space themed. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm also doing like a mini review because I've never used this palette before. Great value. I got this at Ulta. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. That way you can make sure to not miss out on my videos in the future. I post every single Tuesday, so go ahead and do that real quick before we get started. All right, guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Right into this beautiful palette. So I have not used anything by BH Cosmetics before, and I was at Sephora and I saw it and I was like, this looks really fun, and I think it was like $15, and I was like, what? Like, you're joking me. This is so beautiful, and for the price point, I thought it was so well worth it. And when I saw these shades, oh my god, there's 18 shades. Look how freaking gorgeous these shades are. Like, just all the different planets. So we've got Sun, Jupiter, Prometheus. By the way, did you guys see that movie? Because it scared the hell out of me. Aphrodite, Milky Way, Cosmic, Saturn, Venus, Meteor, Comet, Earth, Neptune, Mercury, Mars, Asteroid, Electra, Moon, and Pluto. And like, just let me give you guys an idea. Just an idea, right, of what's going on here. That's what's going on here, okay? Do you see those shades? Yeah. I'm gonna start with Aphrodite here, and I'm gonna use that in my crease. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really getting the most pigment, and it's not really blending out really smoothly like I would hope. But I'm gonna layer it on and then kind of go from there. Next, I'm gonna go in with Neptune, just a little bit below where I put Aphrodite. I'm gonna go in with more of like a pointed finger brush, and I'm gonna go back in with Aphrodite and just see if I can get that a little more pigmented. I'm gonna use this Morphe M518 without anything on it, just to blur the edges. Next, I'm gonna go in with Cosmic, and I'm gonna put that just below where I put Aphrodite. I'm going back in with that Neptune shade. I'm realizing as I'm doing the other side of my eye that if I get my brush just like crazy saturated, then I'm getting a lot more of that blue pigment instead of the purple that was coming out, and I'm liking that better. So I'm going in with that in my crease. I put some of the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm just using this Morphe rounded flat brush, and I'm going to use that to just cut the crease in just the middle of my eye. I want the middle of my eye to almost look like an hourglass. So I'm bringing this purple in to kind of create that hourglass shape on both sides of the eye. For the center of the eye, I'm going in with the shade Comet, and I'm gonna use a flat brush, and I'm going to use some MAC Fix Plus on it. Ooh, yes. I'm gonna go in with that Cosmic shade, and I'm just going to blend to make sure this all looks seamless. Okay folks, that's the lid, and now I'm trying to figure out what to put on the bottom. Try this Pluto shade, and I'm going to put that on my bottom lid. If I'm being really honest, I don't love these shades. I feel like they are really hard to blend, really hard to work with. All right, you guys, I am going to go ahead and do my liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, so brows and lashes are complete. I'm gonna dip into Meteor and use that as my brow bone highlight, actually. I think that would be kind of fun. Oh yeah, I like that. It's so cool. I'm gonna use that in the corner of my eye as well. Pop that in right there. For lipstick, I'm gonna go in with this Lorac lipstick in shade Duchess. Get some pink on these lips. And then as a lip topper, I am gonna go in with this Huda Beauty lip strobe, and this is in shade Snobby. Yes, honey, I do feel very otherworldly right now. I feel like I've come from an alien planet to invade the earth with glitter. So you guys, this is the final look. What do you think? I think it is actually really fun in my opinion, and I do actually like this. I would probably wear it out, maybe to like a dance club or for a fun photo shoot, something like that. I wasn't actually like a huge fan of the shadows, to be honest. They didn't blend super well, but they are really fun. I feel like I'll use them again just because the pigment does look really fun and bright, and that's the important thing, right? I mean, that is really the important thing. So that's the finished look, guys. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a like, give it a thumbs up, right? And if you want to see more videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are curious as to how I did my face makeup today, I actually just filmed a tutorial for it before I filmed this one. I think I'll have a little card for it right now, so you can go ahead and watch that right after this. Guys, that's all I have for you. So love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.